Hello, thank you for clicking on our video. Today we are doing our project. Alright, so today we are doing the glitter sand that we got at like a dollar store, Family Dollar, Dollar General, one of those. But looks pretty cool. It says ages 3 and above, so I think we're covered. I think, we reached that limit there. You know how this works. We have our little containers. Stars and the moon. And then we have a bunch of different colored sands. So, we're just going to make these today. Also, I've got some extra sand. Oops. Got some extra sand. This is sand. But this is beach sand. Not going to say what beach. Don't know if it's not too much to take. I don't know if you're supposed to. But anyways, I'm using this too. To help, so send these off as gifts, so that my loved ones can have some beach sand from here.
There's a color.
So gives you a funnel to put your things in, and this stick to help you design. We're not very professional, so don't expect a miracle. My clip is falling out. All right, so which one would you like to do? I think I'll do them. I don't know. Which one do you want?
I'll do the star.
Okay. So the moon. Just start and do our own little thing here. You want to go first? It's only one funnel. We won't make this too long because it's fairly simple, but it comes with some instructions. You're gonna take your funnel. You're going to put it in there, and then you're going to start filling your sand. And if you'd like, throughout the way, you can stick this in. Kind of slide it up. Kind of make some, oops. This is going to be a messy video. Make some designs. Woo! Good thing there's no sand in it. But, like I said, pretty self-explanatory.
Designs that they use on the box.
So, here we go. We're going to start.
So, I'm going to bust out with some orange.
Let me put this underneath. Just in case we spill some sand. It won't be a horrible mess. We almost thought this through. All right. Nice. You going for any particular theme here? Maybe some regular sand. Smells like sand. Is that the only orange?
Yeah, that's why I'm not going to use as much.
I'm sure they've measured it out to where they'll fill up.
There's glitter in the sand. So.
Yeah, there's glitter in it. It's actually very pretty. I don't think you can see it very well. Hopefully once it's finished you'll be able to tell a little better. What color's next? You just be really creative. Just do your own thing, whatever you like.
There's some blue.
Some purple here.
And a little bit of orange.
you.
Oh no.
He missed.
Okay.
You open the blue up. I'll open this.
So the glitter's already everywhere.
Yeah, I've got glitter all over my hands.
Glitter's already on the fingers. So light that it'll actually blow out of the sand. Up, up. And you might want to pre-cut this stuff to the corner.
What was your excuse for that one?
So it looks like blue and orange there, but look. So you can definitely play around with angles and tilt it, get a pattern.
No, I spilt it. Alright, we've welcome all to the spilling club. There you go. You can use a good amount of that. I'm sure there's like 2 pinks and 2 purples. So. There's some room for this is going up top.
So natural sand's different.
Yeah.
The natural sand, maybe have to sift it out. Get all the impurities and out. Also, this wasn't very well dried out post recording, so.
Okay, well we're just gonna dump it on the little mat here, and we're just gonna put this in there.
Trick is to pack so much that it doesn't move or allow the other colors to move.
Yeah, we're gonna want a lot of sand, and we will be sweeping in here.
Sift out all the impurities. There's shells, black sand, dirt.
There is a shell.
But it's like talcum powder sand. I mean, the beaches around here, we're in Florida. Beaches around here have all different types of sand. Sugar sand, and then it's like a baby powder sand. Pretty nice stuff. Pretty nice.
Almost done.
Might want to just top it off with a color.
Oh.
Just
Yeah. You gotta be able to reach me and touch the Florida sand. All the way from Pennsylvania.
now turn it.
And there's that side. So it's different on both sides.
Yep.
Then you can reach in. And it's almost like you're at a Florida beach.
Take a little more.
Alright. So there's his finished product. Pretty nice. He got the colors different on each side. Nice little effect. And then we see up top we have our Florida beach sand. So you can just reach right in and touch the sands of Florida. So for time's sake, I went ahead and I did mine as well. So we see this Florida one up top. Then I went on this side and I used this little designer tool a little to kind of scrape along the edges so you can see where I've dragged it, kind of swiggled them in. So, not too bad.
Not bad.
Here's our finished products. So,
Not bad.
we were just feeling artsy today.
Pretty cheap.
So yeah, if you ever find this, it's definitely a good way to kill time. We got to sit back and talk to each other, and it was pretty fun. And let's admit, these are beautiful.
Want to get real cheap? I guess you could
Beautiful.
food color some dry sand from.
I mean, we could have food colored the sand, but we want it to be known as beach sand. So that's part of this special thing. So thank you so much for watching. Click subscribe. See you later.